Protests going late into the night in our nation's capital after the U.S. Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade, which has stood for nearly 50 years. Here in Michigan, the legal fight for abortion is still playing out.
Last month, a judge suspended a 1931 law that made abortion a crime. So until the state Supreme Court rules on the law, abortion remains legal in Michigan. Much different story across the country, with 26 states having laws indicating they plan to ban abortion. Anger over today's landmark decision resulted in two big protests in Detroit and Ann Arbor, with more than 1,000 people rallying at each event.
Our Mara McDonald is live in Ann Arbor tonight. Mara, a whole lot of signature gatherers were out at both locations.
Kimberly, that's right. And, you know, it's interesting to note that both of these rallies had huge amount of signature gatherers at them, all looking to put abortion on the ballot in Michigan in November. Ann Arbor tonight on the Diag, where the group assembled screamed out their collective frustration with the Supreme Court's decision.
We were supposed to be hanging out on a back porch eating blueberry crisp, and we said, no, we're going to the Diag.
With the blueberry crisp now firmly on the back burner, Laura and so many others turned out in Ann Arbor.
What happens, unfortunately, is people get pregnant with not meaning to, even if they take precautions. Their whole life hangs in the balance, and having the right to make a decision about how your life is going to proceed is so critical.
Anybody that didn't see this coming in the last 3 to 5 years has not been paying attention. And now that the fight's on, you know, it's game on. We've got to figure out how to win this thing.
Well-attended protests had people turning out en masse, both in Ann Arbor and in downtown Detroit at the federal courthouse.
I have nieces who are of reproductive age. It is all I've known that I can make decisions about my body. I am scared for them and what that could mean for their future.
Come on, join the fight!
The real question tonight, does this outrage manifest into any action in the midterms in the fall?
I would say to everybody here tonight, we got to make our voices heard. You read this opinion, you should be worried about what Justice Thomas said as well, and saying that we need to relook at every decision.
Back here live, those petition gatherers were out simply because it is a very heavy lift to get this ballot proposal on the ballot in the fall. It needs 425,000 valid signatures that are due about the second week of July. We are live in Ann Arbor tonight. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
Okay, Mara, thanks.